This Corsair Virtuoso RGB Wireless XT good or garbage? Priced at $269.99, £249.99, EU $350.12, Corsair's Virtuoso RGB Wireless XT is the defining statement of what wireless gaming headsets will be by 2021. There are 4 different connectivity options available, including 3.5mm, USB-C, 2.5 GHz dongle, and Bluetooth. The Virtuoso RGB Wireless XT also offers dual connectivity, allowing you to simultaneously take calls while playing games on your PC or PS5. There are neodymium speaker drivers, a wide sound frequency range of 20 Hz 40 kHz, Dolby Atmos support, and a 9.5mm, omnidirectional detachable microphone. It features an all-black machined aluminum that's sleek yet aggressive. The ear cups also feature an RGB lit Corsair logo that can be changed through the iQ app. The Virtuoso RGB Wireless XT looks stylish but is built to last. On the bottom of each ear cup, there are some headset controls. On the right side, there is a volume rocker, a wireless toggle, a USB toggle, and Bluetooth controls. On the left side, there is the USB-C port, a 3.5mm plug on the ear cups, and a plug for the detachable microphone. The mute button is conveniently located underneath the detachable microphone. Another cool feature is that, even when the mic is turned off, it will engage when answering a phone call. No matter how long you play, the Virtuoso RGB Wireless XT earpieces remain stable and comfortable on your head. Premium memory foam cushions the ears while remaining breathable to prevent sweat accumulation. A soft textured headband allows for tactile adjustments that feel locked in even when removed. To make travel safer, the headset comes with a cross-stitched, padded pouch. On PC and PlayStation 4, 5 the Virtuoso RGB Wireless XT really stands out in the audio department. While playing, gunfire, footsteps, ambient sounds, and communication are crystal clear. With support for Dolby Atmos, the headset provides even greater immersion on a computer. The Virtuoso RGB Wireless XT works well with high-quality audio streaming services such as Tidal. While the Virtuoso RGB Wireless XT offers typical Bluetooth range, the 2.5 GHz only works for about 60 feet. With dual wireless connectivity, these issues can be alleviated since you can switch audio output to the Bluetooth device. While using all of the features, the battery life is rather short, at 15 hours between charges. In the absence of dual wireless connectivity and RGB lighting, you can expect an extra 5 hours from the headset. Charging to full took around 3 hours. With the Virtuoso RGB Wireless XT, the audio quality for gaming, music listening, and phone calls is excellent.